If you're a maintenance manager, you know trash and dumpsters stink.
That's disgusting.
You need help getting rid of that with Neutron's NI-712 Clinging Deodorizer Gel. Just shake well and spray. It's not like your average air freshener. NI-712 Clinging Deodorizer Gel clings onto a variety of non-porous surfaces. The gel evaporates over time and continuously releases pleasant fragrance, all while leaving behind minimal residue. It's non-staining and slow-releasing, making it a long-lasting solution for odor elimination. Spray in a sweeping motion to many indoor and outdoor areas. Simple, effective odor control. The clinging gel design allows it to be applied onto hard-to-reach and irregular-shaped surfaces. Spray on in air conditioner filters, above doors, in trash cans, and behind toilets. Visit NeutronIndustries.com to check out NI-712 Clinging Deodorizer Gel today.